love you!
Where?
What?
Show me. Where is this love? I can't see it. I can't touch it. I can't feel it. I can hear it. I can hear some words, but I can't do anything with your easy words. Whatever you say, it's too late.
Please, don't do this!
It's done. No, please.
O baka naman kaya ayaw mong aminin dahil hanggang ngayon ako pa rin ang gusto ko.
Wow, really?
Eh bakit nga? Sabihin mo sa akin bakit hindi mo nagustuhan. I deserve an explanation.
Ano? Ano sinabi mo?
I need an acceptable reason.
Bakit?
Dahil tinrabaho ko yun. Pinaghirapan ko yun. I invested my time and my effort.
Kaya kailangan mo...
Okay, mga inotel! Mag-mind-mind kung may extra pera. Matulog kung wala. Manood kung gusto lang makita kagad